Okay, so I'm reviewing a portable space heater. This is not for large rooms. I don't know how it even appeared on my shopping list, but I ended up buying it for $20 almost exactly. Here's the box it comes in. It is a space heater. I bought it on Amazon. It's a generic box. There's generic as it can be. Here it is. It is not very, it does not blow very far. So right here, let me show you. About right here, you can barely feel it. You come over here, you can't feel it anymore. But you can feel it when you get all the way up here. It has two settings, and both settings are about the same. It is using a UPC fan for a computer. It has its little switch on the bottom, and it does not work very well. So if I'm sitting in my chair right here, I can't feel a thing. Like I told you, it does not reach here. You have to be this close. It's much warmer like here. And I'm thinking I might take this apart to see if there's a little plastic bag on the wires that are twisted together, I guess. And it gets really warm on the top. So if there was a little, sorry, I forgot to wash my dishes. But if there was like a little plastic bag in here, it'd probably burn and scorch and cause it to not work properly anymore. Oh yeah, this is the best toaster oven I ever had. It's La Gourmet. I've been using it for 6 months because every time I get my hot water fixed, about 2 weeks later it goes out. It's just bad altogether in my housing unit. Sorry to complain about that, but yeah. Anyway, I keep redoing the ears a little bit because there are a lot of holes. There keep being holes in it. So it's never gonna be black all over again. It's just gonna be black, white, generic. As generic as it can be. I gotta find some fabric for. When you see these safety pins in it, it's just me pinning the fabric because I don't have little pins because I'm hand sewing. Every little patch was hand sewn. Every little thing was hand sewn. And I think I might be addicted to chewing on glue sticks. I don't know. I should probably not have that as a habit. When I get nervous or I'm stressed out, I just chew on stuff. It doesn't matter if it's like plastic or a little plastic ring that goes on here. I end up chewing on rubber, a rubber-like material. And I know that's weird, and I shouldn't have that as a habit. And I'm just nervous. I'm worried and nervous. This thing's becoming a nightmare, but it's getting done. But then we have to do the tail, and then we have to do the paws again. And I've sewn this material in a different way, so it does not go poofy floofy like this. I don't know what I did wrong, but I guess I put the wrong side there. I don't know. I'm losing my brain. I'm like, one of my neighbors just came up to me. He was half-ass drunk, and it's like I'm engaged. There's no reason for any of this conversation I'm having right now. It's just there's no reason for this. There's no reason for him to show up being drunk. There was no reason to interact with him. And then basically I just pulled the I'm bisexual card. Which is true. If anyone wants to know. And yeah. I can't believe this is gonna go up on YouTube. But yeah. I can't help it. And yes, I like to be referred to myself as a fae. But everyone refers to me as something different. Especially when I am talking with my ghosts. They refer to me as my user. And sometimes it gets really annoying trying to live stream and have them on at the same time, because all they want to do is talk about live streams. And they like to go and help and try and do whatever they please, and I'm just like, okay, time to stay away from live streams for I don't know, 4 or 5 months maybe. I don't know, my life's been just ridiculous. Hi Bella. Are you being a teddy bear? Are you being a teddy bear? Oh yeah, he's over here, but he chewed his ass. He has made a spot on his butt. I don't know what else to do, guys. This is just my life. Very obscure, very chaotic. Especially this. This is me. This is me in a nutshell. This is me. This is me. This is me, a disaster. This is me. Well, bye. Sorry I lost my mind, but good luck.